Hey everybody, Jerome back again, local realtor in Cibolo. Alright, here we go again. We got another home for sale, DR Horton. Another one story. So if you don't like climbing stairs and things like that, it's a nice beautiful home. Prices have just been reduced down also. So let's go with this tour. Alright guys, the tour is over with. That's all I have to show. It's the same as one of the houses I showed before. But I always gotta give a shout out to the builders, because they always making this country safe with building more homes and things like that. Alright, that's affordable. So shout out to D.R. Horton. Alright, so Steele Creek Community Guide, like always. Shows you everything about the community. This is a special program D.R. Horton is offering. No down payment, special interest rate, 5.75%. They also have, with a down payment, a special interest rate of 4.50%, all right? They informed me, the builder's agent informed me that appliances is negotiable, all right? And also, they cover closing costs for this neighborhood, Steele Creek, Cibolo. So if you like what you seen, or things like that, or you don't like what you see, please comment, let me know. And give me something that you all want to see. If you like to see a different neighborhood that's in the San Antonio area, in the suburbs or the city, please let me know. I will go there for you and just check it out. All right, and do a video on it. All right, thank you very much.